Okay guys, welcome. Today we're going to learn about lattice multiplication. So we're going to start with a nice simple one. So here's our lattice box right here. Okay, we're going to do a 1 digit by 1 digit multiplication. So 3 times 4 equals 12. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the 3 up here at the top. We're going to put the 4 down here at the side. So it tells us we're going to do 3 times 4. Okay, now 3 4s are 12. The 110 goes here, and the 2 1s go right there. So basically that's how we're going to do every box inside the bigger ladder multiplication. So we'll just do lots and lots of little times table sums. Okay, so now it gets a little bit bigger. So we're going to be working with 2 digit by 2 digit numbers. So 23 times 45. Okay, now the way we set this out is we go 2, 23 times 40 and 5. So that's how we're going to set our grids out using two digit by 2 digit numbers. Okay, so the way that we multiply the squares out, so we're going to do 3 by 4. So that's the first square that we're going to do. So 3 4s are 12. So 110 and 2 1s. Okay, the next one that we're going to do is we're going to do 3, go all the way down to here, so 3 times 5, so 3 5s. I'm going to take those arrows away just so you don't see them there. 3 5s are 15, so 110 and 5 1s. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is we're going to do 2 times 4. So this square here is going to be 2 4s, so 2 4s are 2 4s are 8, so 0 10s and 8 1s. So don't forget to put the 0 for the 0 10s and the 8 1s. Now the next square is we're going to do 2, go down by 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, so there's our 4 little multiplications done. Now the next thing we do, so the second process is we need to add each row. So if you look at the lines going diagonal through the middle of the squares, now here's our place value column. So starting from here at the 5, there's our 1's place value column. Going all the way through here are our 10's. Going all the way through here are our 100's. And going through here are our thousands. Okay, so there's our normal place value columns, but they're just running diagonally. So here we do 5 plus nothing will be 5. 2 plus 1 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. So we carry the 10 across to the thousands column, and we leave the 0 there. Okay, so the way we read the answer is 1000, because the 1's in the thousands column, and 35. So 23 times 45 was equal to 1035. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of a harder one now. So 46 times 72. Okay, so we're going to put 46 times 72. Okay, so we're going to do 6 times 7. So 6 times 7 is 42. So 4 10s and 2 1s. Now we're going to do 6 down to the bottom square. 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 10 and 2 1s. Now we're going to go up to here, the 40. So 4 times 7, which will go to this square here. 4 7s are 20. 2 10s and 8, 28, and then 4 by 2. So 4 2s are 8, so 0 10s and 8 1s. Okay, our next step, once we've done all the multiplications, is we need to add. So we need to remember that here is our 1's column, right the way through here is our 10's column, right the way through here is our 100's column, and right the way through here is our thousands column. Okay, so here, 2 1s, we just leave it as 2. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So we put the 1 and we carry the 10 into the hundreds column. Now we have 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. So we put the 3 and we carry the 1 to the next. Carry the 1 to the next column, and then we're left with the thousands column. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the answer to 46 times 72 equals 3,312. 3,312. Okay, now we're going to do 76 times 93. So 2 digit by 2 digit again. So we put the 7 here. 76 times 93. So now we've just got our 4 boxes again. So we're just going to do our 4 quick times tables. So first one I'm going to do is 6 by 9 through here. So 6 9s are 54, 5 10s and 4 1s. Next one is 6 times 3. So the bottom square, 6 3s are 18, so 1 10 and 8 1s. Next one is 7 times 9. So the top left square, 7 9s are 63, 6 10s and 3 1s. And the last one is the bottom left hand corner, so 7 times 3. 7 3s are 21, 2 10s and 1. Okay, now we've done all our times tables. Now all we do is add. So remember, 1's column, 10's column through here, 100's column, and 1000's column. So our 1's column, 8 plus nothing is 8. 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 6. We have 6 10s. 2 plus 3 is 5. Plus 5 is 10. So we put the 0 in the hundreds column, and we carry the 1000 across into the next thousands column. Now the last one is 6 plus 1 is 7. So we remember we read it around here. So 7 thousands, 0 hundreds, 6 tens, and 8 ones. So the answer to 76 times 93 equals 7,068.